What's going on, everyone? Got a 2019 Audi TT. I'm gonna show you how to replace the remote battery. Okay, so to replace the remote battery, first thing we're gonna do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If you look on the left side and the right side of the remote down here, we have two buttons. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna press both of these buttons at the same time. We're gonna have to pinch this, and then we're gonna pull the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote, okay? It can be a little tricky, but it'll come right out. Now, we still have the buttons right here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna push these, and we're gonna wiggle and pull this way, okay? Because there's actually a battery holder right here. It's holding the battery, and we're gonna wiggle this guy, and we're gonna pull it right out. See how this is coming apart? All right, then we're gonna flip everything over, okay? And I'll show you what size battery we're working with here. All right, so the battery size is with the new battery, is a CR2032, and I'll leave a link in the description box for some new batteries if you want to check that out. It takes you to Amazon. They're like $1, so check that out. But our positive sign will be facing down in the holder like this, and on the holder itself there's a positive sign right here. So we'll do this, and with everything facing down like that, this is the back of the remote. Stick it back in here like that. We're gonna have to squeeze, no click. All right, then we can put the emergency key back in, and it clicks in. We're all done. Hope the video was helpful. When it was, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.